I am Dr. T. Shashikant, a plastic surgeon at Yashoda Hospital, Malakpet. We are done this procedure by forming a team, Dr. Murli Mohan Reddy and myself. It's a microsurgical procedure where toe has been transferred to the hand. Basically, with increasing advances in technology, even in plastic surgery, there is a lot of improvement in techniques, and microsurgery is one of the technique trained by plastic surgeons are trained and now are able to salvage many patients who are having amputation of limbs, or who are having a lot of skin defects, or are having damaged nerves. So it's an advanced technique by which we can salvage tissues. So initially, whenever patient sustains a amputation of finger or thumb, if the amputated part is viable and immediately brought to a center where microsurgical facilities are available, we can salvage these fingers by using microsurgical techniques, where we fix the amputated part, then identify all the vessels, nerves, tendons, and then repair them accordingly so that they can survive. But in cases such as in this patient, where he has lost his thumb in Dubai and there are no microsurgical facilities, his thumb could not be reimplanted, and because it was also crushed. So there are options to regain function in such patients also to improve the function. So toe transfer is one of the microsurgical procedure where we can transfer the toe to the hand, so to bring back the functions of the thumb in that hand by use of the toe. Yeah, basically microsurgery, when we are taking up, we need a team because it's a long procedure where we form a good team. Then we need microsurgical instruments, then we need a magnification by use of loupes, then we use a microscope, and after the procedure we keep observing the blood supply in the toe, whether the perfusion is good or not. Then we use some medicines which help in improving the blood supply to the toe, also to decrease blocking of the anastomosed blood vessels. So these medicines we will give and see whether the toe is perfusing or not. If there is any decrease in blood supply, we identify the cause, and if it is a blockade, we go back and repair the block. But if there is no block, the anticoagulation medicines are given for at least 5 days, and after that, most of the time the vascularity is established and the complications are less after a week.